Yes guys, back with the next video again. If you want to see how I prepare my mushroom cabbage stir fry, guys, come along and enjoy this video. It's super good. Big up on
Hi
yourself,
guys, welcome back to my channel, back with the next video again. Guys, I'm here in the kitchen making some mushroom cabbage stir fry, and this is all my ingredients. Here I have my mushroom, I have some cucumber, some scallion, some carrot, and some yellow bell pepper, red bell pepper, some onion, and some scotch bonnet pepper in the middle there. And here is my cabbage. I chopped them up like small size. And here I have my Larry seasoning. Here I have my basil. I'm using basil instead of the black pepper, so I think this is a healthier choice. You can use anything you like. And this is some ground ginger. Here I have some Chinese sauce to put in my mushroom here just for color. And here I have some vegetable seasoning for my cabbage. Okay guys, this is all my ingredients. What I do with my mushroom, just put some Larry seasoning in there. And you know guys, as usual when I'm using my Larry seasoning, I don't put any salt in my meat or my vegetable when I'm using Larry seasoning. Next, I'm gonna just rub up my seasoning and then add some Chinese sauce just to get a little color. And this is how it looks so far. Yeah. So what next? I'm just gonna get my pot ready. What I'm doing here guys, I'm just putting some ground ginger. You can use any ginger. I'm gonna put in my mushroom. Gonna add all of my seasoning right here. Just add a little bit of oil in my pot, just a little bit. So the mushroom is gonna spring water and the cabbage. So you're not gonna add no water, just a little baby tip of oil or butter. Gonna add my cabbage now. Gonna have my vegetable seasoning. Gonna add my basil. Gonna cover this. And you're gonna see how much water spring up in there. Gonna cover this for 3 minutes, then I'll show you how it look after. Okay guys, this is how my mushroom cabbage stir fry look after 3 minutes. It smells so good guys. No water in my mushroom cabbage stir fry. I just put in a little bit of oil and that's it. So the mushroom spring water and the cabbage spring water, so that's why I have this moist, or you call it gravy, in my pot. Trust me, no water added. Big up on yourself guys.